Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me, I have a clown shoe, which is a 2002 BMW M Coupe. Extremely clean car, one repaint. If you want to find out full information on this specific vehicle, including underside shots, financing options, transport options, click on the link below. Let's start off with the engine bay. So it's powered by a straight six 3.2 liter producing 315 horsepower. Extremely clean engine bay. It's been serviced by Lashway Tuning out of Pompano Beach. It came out of a collection from a gentleman that has a really nice assortment of cars. Does have a Denon intake, 130,000 miles, coilovers, the strong strut bar, and then the rear does have adjustment points as well for lowering or raising the vehicle. Radiator's nice, no leaks at all from this engine, super healthy. Let's go ahead and walk down the side so we can look at the profile. I see a little imperfection right here in the paint, small scratch. Let's go to the driver's side profile. Extremely clean design, wide rear end. These things are great for autocross. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the door for you. So it's a pretty unique interior with the blue. Shows very well. We are including the removal tools for the radio, which you'll see in the photo gallery. Steering wheel feels good. The steering and response on this car, wait till you see the test drive. Roof line is very, very nice. The sunroof does operate as it should. Let me close that door so the chime turns off. Tires have about 95% tread, and the wheels are in great condition as well, gunmetal style wheel. Rear bumper is very nice. Let me open up the trunk for you. A lot of space back here. You get your, I guess that's a subwoofer, huh?
Yep.
That's pretty neat.
On the roof. Look at the roof.
Oh wow, that's great. Got your little net right here. This opens up. Let's see what's under here. We got a tool, partial tool kit. Looks pretty clean. Let's go down the passenger side. Looks just like the driver's side. A couple imperfections on this door. I see two dings, and then a paint imperfection right here by the gas filler. See if you can see that a little better like that. Open up the passenger side door for you. Door card's in great shape. Both windows work well. Regulators work, motors work. All right, I'm gonna start it up for you. It does have an aftermarket muffler set. Let's go back there so you can hear it. Sounds like a M3, I mean, same motor. Let's go ahead and jump in it. We'll go for a ride. All right, we're gonna look at the inside of this vehicle right now. Dash is extremely nice. I love how they flow the blue throughout. And what's interesting is this car is super small. I'm 6 foot, 215 pounds. Yeah, I've gained a couple of pounds. And I fit in here very well, and there's a lot of room. As I said, these are great for autocross. They handle extremely well, and the power to weight ratio is pretty good, 315 horsepower. You've got all your gauges here. You've got a clock, your temperature gauge. That's your oil temperature gauge right here. You've got your air condition. Radio works as it should, so you can turn it on and we are in reserve right now. It's showing 139,000 miles. All right, we're gonna try the moonroof. Motor works as it should. Seats are very comfortable. Horn works. You do have your cup holders right here, your e-brake. Windows work as they should. All right, putting my seatbelt on. Nice and snug. We're gonna put it into gear. What we're gonna do is go for a test drive in it. Clutch feels really good. Suspension feels good as well. I love the sound of the exhaust out of these motors. Clutch feels really good. I have to get used to it. I just drove a 73 Volkswagen Beetle. Steering is very responsive. You would never know this had 139,000 miles. Oh, wow. We'll see how the brakes feel. Brakes are even. Let's get it in a second. mean, we're only at 4,000 RPMs. It goes to 8,000 as a red line, it looks like. Listen to that note. This reminds me of my race car. I have an E30 race car. Woo! Push it a little bit. Oh my gosh, memories. I feel like I'm in Sebring right now. My E30 only had, I think it was 200 horsepower. Oh no, like 160 wheel horsepower is what it was. But it's gutted. This feels really good. I really like this car. All right, let's test it out. You ready? Wow. Listen to that. Sounds really nice. Suspension feels perfect. I mean, with the coilovers on this thing, you can push it really hard. I would love to have this thing at Sebring. You just saw us take it out on the highway, take it around town. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. Also, please be sure to like and subscribe as per my cameraman.